Turn this down a bit, I can't see. Hey bitches! I don't know how long it's been. Okay. And I don't really want to count, but I know that it's been a while. And sorry about it. But the good news is I'm here now. So today I'm going to show you my room. I moved here to South Dakota about like 7 months ago. Roughly. And I just now finished my room. And I go to college in like 2 months. But we're not going to talk about it, okay? I want to show you my room because it's like kind of freaking sick. And I worked very, very hard to complete this. Like, no piece is from the same place. Seriously, I got everything from a different store. It was really hard. It was really hard making this all work together. So, I'm going to show it off. But, I'm going to show it off whenever my comforter is done drying in the dryer. Because, I wanted to wash it. I don't know. I'm done. Okay. This has been asked by everyone, so here goes nothing. This is my room. I'm gonna do like a quick like walkthrough of everything. There's Toby's bed, but he's not in here because I just yelled at him because he shit on my floor. So that's my view of the Black Hills out my window. I got a cute little lake view. Love it the most. Here's my wall of shit. Get into detail with that later. So first, the shoe shelves. Pretty dope. My boyfriend actually made these for me in shop. They have like this rustic look. I was thinking of putting like a quote up there and then a quote down there whenever I move that stupid thing. Then that wall will kind of look more full, but I just don't know what the f to do with that. This is this little corner that I just made because I have this 5-foot bear that I don't know what to do with. So I just kind of like decorated it and made it like a lounge area. This is what this whole wall looks like. It looks kind of empty and that's why I wanted to do the quote on there. There's my laundry bin that's always full all the way to the brim. I do laundry about once a month. But this is the newest edition that just went up. It actually turned out really freaking cool. I really love how like symmetrical and like perfect it is, you know? Now next to my shoe shelves is my dresser. And I want to put something there, but I'm not sure what. I think it kind of has to equal out with that, like just little things all together on that side. I bought this dresser from Ashley. I have been eyeing this dresser the second that I found out that I was moving here. I loved the rustic, like old wood look of it. This was the last piece of furniture that I bought for my room. And turned out really cute all together. Moving on to my bed, 10 out of 10 recommend. Everyone who sleeps over is like, you have the best bed in the world. It is the softest bed ever. I love it. It actually took me a really long time to find nightstands to match this room. I really love the mirror look. That was totally not something that I was gonna put into my room, but it just so happened to come out like that. I got these lamps from this random store, actually the same store that I bought the cow from. I really didn't know what kind of lamps I wanted in my room, but these just kind of happened and I ended up really loving them. Like, look at how the light turns out. Isn't that shit dope? These deer heads, I actually painted myself in one of my videos. I put all my scrunchies on them because I didn't know what to do with all my scrunchies, and whenever I'm in bed and I need a scrunchie, I just kind of reach up and grab one, which is like really convenient. This mirror does not fit anywhere in my room, but I made it work. I have these sticky things that I'm gonna be trying to get off for the next like 5 years because I originally had those lights around it because I had this mirror over there. And it was way too dark over there. I moved it over here and now I can't get those sticky things off, but I'm working on it, it's fine. This mirror is from Ashley. I also was eyeing this for a very long time. I ultimately just ended up buying it after a few months of wanting it. This is probably my favorite area of the room because of A, the view, B, like how it just all came together. I'm obsessed with it. I spend most of my time over here just sitting over here, like either doing my makeup or on the computer, stuff like that. Those are my grad invites that I need to send out at some point. This little wall right here I was most excited about decorating. My stepmom also bought these shelves for me and I really liked them, but I just didn't know where to put them because they came out of the wall so far. But they look really cool back here with the bulletin board. Here's my little board. Featured on it is pretty much me, my boyfriend, my dad, and the 5 tickets that I received for literally nothing. Just the state of South Dakota hates me. But I thought this was an honorable mention because this is like the funniest thing that's ever happened to me. I cannot believe this guy actually wrote me 5 tickets because I was going 6 over the speed limit. And he wrote me 5 different tickets. He really just wanted to pin me for everything and anything. So this is my desk. It's full of the most shit. I kind of do everything and anything here. I edit my videos, I do my homework, I do my makeup in this mirror, which is like the best mirror in the whole world.
My dad also bought this chair from somebody for like $5 freaking, and then I actually glued this fluffy thing on it, so it looks kind of better than it did whenever he bought it. But I really did want a fluffy chair for this room, so I made it work. I don't know, it's like DIY. So I hope you like my room. It took me a really long time to put all this together, and I'm really happy with how it came out. I love it. I get compliments on it all the time, and I just feel accomplished because this was like my little project, and I did this like all on my own. Like, I even bought my own dresser. Adulting. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.